Hello everyone, welcome back to Unday Radar Talks. NIO stock rose 3.5% on Friday. The stock continued to rise sharply after a 14% surge, reflecting that the capital that drove this round of stock price surge has not yet exited the market. At least part of it has not yet exited. The significant increase in the stock's trading volume in the past 2 trading days may be due to the selling of the same level of trapped capital. But these selling did not cause the stock price to fall, which shows that the bulls are still digesting these chips. The selling range of these chips is between $4.48 and $5. In fact, this area has formed a certain profit space for capital entering the market below $4. But this does not mean that the profitable capital has exited the market, because the stock price still has room to continue to rise. The stock has been consolidating between $3.80 and $4 in August, and this range has generated a large number of transactions, which is the basis for the surge in stock prices. However, the $4 level has opened up 2 profit margins from the current price, with a cumulative return of more than 20%. However, the stock's performance on Friday was better than the sector index. When Tesla's stock plummeted 8%, the stock continued to rise, indicating that the company's performance in the latest quarter has brought great confidence to its investors. But the question is how much room for the stock to rise. Let's take a look at the 15-minute chart of the stock. We can see that the stock had a large trading volume after opening on September 5th, but the bulls stabilized their position and began to strongly pull up the stock price with a large trading volume. In the morning trading of September 6th, the stock price rose to $5.18 and then began to fall. This process generated a large trading volume. There is no doubt that a large amount of capital did exit the market at this position, but this did not lead to a continuous decline in the stock price. The bulls strongly blocked the bears at the $4.90 position and maintained the stock price at a high level. The trading volume at the end of the trading day did not increase significantly. Such price behavior reflects that although the surge in stock prices has led to a large outflow of capital, the market still does not want the stock price to fall. Let's take a look at the capital flow data of the stock. Let's take a look at the data of the stock in the last 2 days. The stock's net capital inflow on September 5th was as high as $35 million, which is consistent with its trading volume performance, because the surge in stock prices will inevitably lead to a large amount of capital selling, but the funds flowing into the market seem to be more. The stock's net capital outflow on September 6th was $652,000, but the trading volume on that day was not much different from the previous trading day, which reflects that the proportion of capital outflowing from the market on that day did increase significantly. But the result of the strong bulls blocking the bears was that the data of the two were not much different. Let's take a look at the market position distribution data of the stock. We can see that most of the current positions of the stock are distributed in the area below $5, and $4.48, $4 and $3.80 are all relatively concentrated areas of positions. However, as the positions at the $5 level increased significantly, the positions at the $4.48 level and below did not decrease significantly, which means that although the stock price has opened up a certain profit margin for the capital entering the market below $4, this has not led to a large number of these capitals exiting the market. But we also see that the current position of the stock has a profit rate of 90%, which means that the room for the stock price to continue to rise may be limited, because the profit capital always has to cash out. The data gives the resistance position of the stock at $5.26, which I agree with. I think the stock may form a round top next to release the profit position at the bottom, and then the stock price will enter a correction phase. Okay, guys, this is my price prediction for NIO stock. Thank you for watching. If you like my analysis, please click the subscription button and give a thumbs up. I will bring you more latest price predictions for hot stocks later. See you in the next video.